cut no problem at all. See this funny looking disc here? I bought it online. I think I paid $2, $2.20, $2.30, something like that. I got free shipping because I bought a whole lot of other stuff. I bought about 40 bucks worth of stuff at once. And it's a diamond disc. They call them a diamond disc. I think it's got like little bits of diamonds sort of stuck on the end of it. And it's supposed to be able to cut ceramic tile, glass, and that sort of stuff. So I thought for $2, why not give it a bloody go? And then I thought to myself, Pete, why don't you go down to the local hardware store and see if you can find the cheapest disc that they've got that'll actually cut the same stuff. Alright, the one we brought was $2. Cheapest one here looks like about 18. So I think we'll grab that one, eh? So as you can see, we ended up with this Tusk disc. Now I don't know if Tusk is a brand name where you live, but I don't think it's really a brand name here. It's just the cheap version of a cutting disc. And as you can see, it costs $18.98. So the packaging on this one is definitely a lot more classy than the packaging of this one. But really does packaging matter? Let's test the buggers out and see what happens. Now don't get me wrong, I'm into quality tools as much as the next bloke, but if you're only cutting 2 or 3 cuts, and you don't really know how to cut glass or tiles anyway, do you really want to be paying $18, $19, $20, and this is the cheapest one. They go right up to $60 and $70 that I could see, even in the 100mm size. So do you really want to be paying that sort of money just to cut, the odd bit of glass or the odd bit of tile? Like I say, I'm not talking about tradesmen's tools here. I'm talking about blokes like me who have got 2/5 of FA money and you just want to get the job done. Anyway, let's have a look. Like I say, the packaging on this is definitely a lot better. Definitely heavier, and the different size insert is definitely better quality as well. Now the $2 one, as you can see, is definitely a thinner disc. This one has probably got twice the weight of, nah, maybe not twice, this one's probably got 1.5 times the weight of this. And as you can see, the different sizing for the shaft is different. This one here is 100% better quality than this one. But this is almost 10 times the price of this. Let's see if we can find something to cut up. Looks like the missus has been on the wine. I'm more of a beer man myself. Let's try the $2 one. Yeah. Cut no problem at all, just the vibration buggered up the end of the cut, but other than that, it cut pretty bloody good. That deserves a beer. I wonder what the other one will be like. Beer bottle cut with the more expensive blade. You can see it's cut it pretty bloody good, but it's still a little bit rough. Wine bottle cut with the cheaper blade. Well guys, you decide. So my friends, I'm going to go and crack open another cold one, but put in the comments below, you reckon this is worth 10 times the price of this. We'll see you next time. And remember to like and subscribe, guys.
Pete'sTools.com